Is Bluetooth missing from your Windows 10 computer?
It's completely missing.
Many people think their PC doesn't support Bluetooth when the real problem is just a missing driver. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Intel Bluetooth driver the right way.
Installation complete.
Welcome to Preyo Promo, where I share powerful tech solutions to fix common computer problems quickly and easily. Step 1. Search for the Intel Bluetooth driver. First, open your favorite web browser on your Windows computer. In the search bar, type Intel Bluetooth driver for Windows 10 and press Enter. Look for the official Intel website in the search results. Always download drivers from trusted sources to avoid security risks or corrupted files. Step 2. Open the official Intel download page. Click the link that leads to the official Intel driver download page. This page provides the latest and most stable Bluetooth drivers for Intel devices. You will see detailed information about compatibility and supported Windows versions. Downloading from Intel ensures you get the safest and most up-to-date driver available. Step 3. Choose the correct system version. Before downloading, confirm whether your system uses 64-bit or 32-bit Windows. Most modern computers run 64-bit, but it's important to verify your system type. Select the driver version that matches your Windows architecture. Choosing the correct version ensures the driver installs properly and works smoothly. Step 4. Download the driver file. Scroll down until you find the download button. Accept the Intel software license agreement when prompted. The driver installation file will begin downloading to your computer. Wait until the file finishes downloading completely before moving to the next step. If this tutorial is helping you fix your Bluetooth problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more easy tech solutions and helpful computer tutorials. Step 5. Run the installation file. Locate the downloaded driver file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to launch the installation setup. If Windows shows a security prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to run. This will open the Intel Bluetooth driver installation wizard. Step 6. Follow the installation steps. Click Next to begin the driver installation process. Read and accept the Intel license agreement to continue. Select Complete Installation, so all required components are installed properly. Then click Install and allow the setup to finish installing the driver. Step 7. Restart your computer. After the installation finishes, the setup will ask you to restart your system. Restarting ensures Windows loads the newly installed Bluetooth driver correctly. Once your computer boots up again, Bluetooth should appear in your device settings. You can now connect wireless devices like headphones, keyboards, and speakers. And that's how you can install the Intel Bluetooth driver on Windows 10 step by step. This quick fix solves most problems where Bluetooth is missing or not working properly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Preyo Promo, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.